Alright. Somebody's making a potato. Alright, let's see. Okay. Oh shit. No, I don't think you're supposed to put the foil in the microwave. Oh no. Shit, it's about to blow up. Wait. What's this? What? What was that? Oh, don't touch it! What the Yo, this guy is dead ass? Yeah, use gloves. Yeah. 100% use gloves. Is he gonna eat it? You can't eat it. Looks like radioactive, bro. Hey, what the fuck? Whoa. Yo, what's this? Aliens? You brought aliens? A potato. What the fuck? Yo, they're shooting. Run, bro. What the? You brought aliens? How do aliens know? Yo. Yo. Nah. How the aliens know his house? Nah, you're done. He did an invade. Of course an invade. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. This motherfucker's about to kill you, bro. You better run. Oh. What? What the fuck? Yo! Now what's going on? Who is this? Let's take the potato, bro. You want the potato? What? The rifles? Oh, okay. Okay. See, epic battle between the white alien and the red and black. Whoa! Yo! Whoa! Okay. No, we're trying to kill him. Pick on somebody your own size, bro. The other one's not playing fair. Alright. Dip, bro, you gotta dip. I like this. These spears. Oh no. Run, bro, it's gonna kill you. Get out of there. Oh shit, no. Don't kill him. Leave it alone. What? Bro, you can't beat that ass. What you better do? You're not a superhero, man. Leave the aliens alone. It's their business, bro. Get out of their business and focus on your life. Oh shit. What are you gonna do? It's alien technology. What's this gonna do? Okay. Alright. Nice. It's a nice looking gun. Is it a gun? Ouch. Oh. I don't know. But where I come from, we don't house those. Right. Oh shit. Damn. It's aura farming, bro. Aura farming meat battle. Alright. How did he partner up with this one? What's happening? I thought he wanted to kill him. Which one is the evil? The black one? Oh. Nice. Oh, nice. Yo! Oh, shit, I thought it was gonna... No. Yo, oh shit. Oh! Nice. Just shoot it. Nah, this is epic. no way they're about to take out a whole alien civilization, bro. They're about to 1v1 an alien civilization. Oh shit. Bro, it's just a potato, right? Like, why is it a potato? How is a potato causing all? Whoa. What was that? Got into his final form. It's over. You can't do it. Oh! Nice. Let's go. Attack! Nice. Nah, these guys. Oh shit. Yo! Dude! This Dragon Ball Z. Oh my. Yo! Shoot him! Too slow, bro. Come on. Ah, shit. Gun is dead. Don't let you touch it. Oh, nice. How are you able to dodge bullets but you can't see that coming? Like, what the hell? What's going on? Okay. Yo! Yo! This is cool. You gotta break the force field. Get it! Come on, hurry! Cut it open! Damn, that was it? That was it? Oh! Pussy, you ran away? Come on, fight us as man, bro. You still eating? I'm not eating that thing. Nah, I'm good. Trust me, I'm good. Nice. W fight, bro. Now what? Now take me to the alien ship and let's find some alien hearts. Yo, that's the next step. I'm dead ass. That's what we're doing now. We're gonna find some alien hearts, though.
Huge shout out to Warframe for sponsoring this epic project. Warframe is a massive, ambitious game, and we felt it deserved a project just as over the top, even if it nearly turned our brains into mashed potatoes. The game is free and goes far beyond the action you've seen here. Play for free on all platforms, iOS now, Android soon, and grab a free glaive and potato glyph with code BSDWarframe before October 5th. Thanks.
Warframe, you heard the man. W video. That was crazy. I didn't expect it. I didn't know potatoes did that. I just microwave my potatoes without aluminium. Now I'm gonna start doing with aluminium for it, bro. I wanna see some alien hearts. So when those aliens pulls out, I'm gonna ask them what the alien hearts are. So hey, thanks for watching though. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.